friends, welcome back to my channel Ageless Learning. So today we will be learning about how to download a movie using Telegram app. Interesting? Yeah. But before that, I would like you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So to download a Telegram app, first of all we will go to the App Store. In case you are using Android phones, you will go to the Play Store, go to the search box and type here Telegram app. This will open up and this is the required app. I have this already installed in my phone, so I will open this up, but you will have to download in case you have not downloaded it yet. And it is very similar to WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp there are few limitations. For example, if you create a group in WhatsApp, you can at max add 250 members in a group, but here you can add at max 2 lakh members in a group. So it is very good if you are using it for your professional work as well, or if not, then also it's good. So when you will open this up, this kind of interface will open, and here in the search box you have to write down the name of the series or the movie or any kind of serials. Whatever you want to download, you can just download it from here. These days web series are too much in trend, everybody is rushing towards them, and they are offered by different OTT platforms, but they are streaming at some subscription prices. So we don't want to subscribe to every OTT platform, and in that way we have this as solution that we can download it, we can watch, and later on we can delete. So here I will have to write any web series or movies name. For example, I am typing Narcos. See, here I have Narcos in Hindi as well, season 1 to 3, Narcos seasons. Okay, I will click on this. First of all, I will tell you that this is a group. Okay, this is a Narco seasons group, where you have at bottom part, if you can see, there is a join button. Okay, that means that if you want to join this group, you will have you can join this, and later on if anything is published in this group, you will be notified. But if in case you don't want to join, that is also okay. And now you can see that there are 30,877 subscribers of this group. So here you can see there are different other things also which are available for you to download. For example, this Chhalang movie is also here, and this Lakshmi Bomb is here. Okay, so whatever you want to download, you can just go and click on that. For example, if I want to download this movie here, Lakshmi, so it's showing me that this is the size, 515 is the size of this movie, and this is the 221 is the duration. Okay, and it is available in 480p. Okay, so if I want to download, I will have to click here and this downloading will start. This has one disadvantage, that if you want to continue this downloading, you will have to keep this page open. The moment you will close this page, the downloading will stop there, and for resuming that you will have to again open the page. So for downloading, you will have to keep this page open all the time. When it will be downloaded, this button will be changed. You can find these files downloaded in your My Files folder. So it's very easy. You can find, you just have to search. Where, for example, see, this Chhalang movie is available here for 1.2 GB. You can just start downloading here, and it will be downloaded. The moment it will be downloaded, this circle which is revolving will stop, and you will be notified that this is downloaded now. So I hope you understood how to download the movies and web series from Telegram. It's very easy and it's free of cost. Thank you for watching this video. For such more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.